at the Premier Inn in Kingston. We've checked into a Premier Plus room this time, so let's see the differences between a Premier Plus room and a standard Premier Inn room. You've got a similar bed to a normal Premier Inn. The carpet I think is different, and the headboard is slightly different as well. Got lights. We've got power socket underneath the little table there. I think the difference with this one is you've got a footstool as well as the little chair. I think you get a chair in the normal ones, but you just don't get the footstool. Nice curtains with kind of down lighting on there. One thing that is different is you've got a fridge with water in there, and it says it's help yourself, it's complimentary, enjoy. So we've got 2 bottles of water in there, and then we've got your normal tea and coffee, but you've also got a little Nespresso coffee machine. So we've got the pods on here. I think this is the kind of guide which tells you how to use the machine. That's pretty cool. So yeah, tea and coffee is as normal, but the Nespresso machine is the added extra, I think. I've got a food and drink menu, and then it's got a little welcome to your Premier Plus room. So you get the ultimate Wi-Fi included, which is always good. And then it says welcome to your Premier Plus room. So even comfier rooms, even more perks, project artworks, and anything else you just ask for reception. That's kind of what's included. So yeah, it's got a nicer chair than you'd get in the normal ones. Got obviously a nice lamp on there. There's a footstool, which I don't think is included in the normal rooms. I think the TV is pretty standard, and obviously the mirror and the hangers and everything. I don't think you're getting an ironing board in the standard ones. I think that's just as an extra. There's a little stool here, so you don't normally get that in the other ones. Is that hairdryer better than normal? I can't remember. Maybe that is standard. But yeah, you definitely don't get a footstool on the little mirror area in the other ones. Coat hooks are the same. That's pretty standard. And then bathroom, it's just a nicer finish. So you've got the nice rainfall shower in there, a purple kind of tile, which is slightly different. And then obviously the lighting and the down lighting is nicer. The little lamp on the side as well there. But all the other amenities and stuff are all pretty standard. The one thing that I did notice when I walked in straight away, I was like, oh, someone's left some rubbish on the floor. But these are actually like, I don't know what they're called, like bolts or something. It says, for arrest, restraint, use only. So I think, you know, like if someone was to clean the windows or something and they hang themselves on there. I'm going to Google what it is. Okay, so it says they are fall arrest safety anchor points, which basically, as I said, if the window cleaner is out the window, they tie their harness onto through there, and it stops them from falling, because we are on the top floor, we're on floor 6. So you can see out across Kingston over there. Pretty standard view for London. Lots of buildings and things. That's the room tour for the Premier Plus room in Kingston.